So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate lead for your business in the UK, especially if you're into a business like web design. You can adopt this format for other businesses. Okay, so I'm going to say, let's assume you're an expert copy writer using ChatGPT web search function. Access the web and find out 15 businesses that, okay, no, let me put it this way: 15 chiropractors in Birmingham, UK. Send a mail introducing yourself as an email copywriter. Use non-salesy language in communicating to them. Generate a table containing the name of the business, website, and contact address, including email. Write the post in a slightly informal way. Write the email in a slightly informal way, while providing immense value to convince the recipient to reply the mail. So let's wait. So it goes ahead to generate an email template, which you can see here. And so that's what ChatGPT does for you. It creates an email template. So here's a list of 15 chiropractic clinics in Birmingham, UK, along with their contact information. So you can see the sites, their websites, and contact information. Some of the emails were not found. So you can apply this method in actually getting leads to reach out to for your services. So you can adopt this method despite the business you are doing. Thank you. So if you really like this video, endeavor to click the like, subscribe button and share the video. I will really appreciate it. Thank you.